I don't really mess with all this, but they got like pre-workouts that you can try, something like that. This is a weight gainer formula. Just stuff you can grab real quick, BCAAs and stuff. So, I really fucks with this store. There's some stuff like this right here is like super fucking strong. It's like strong as hell, man. Your ass like charged. But yeah. But the things I would kind of recommend really is, I'm telling you, can't even go wrong. Bite out with that. You know what I'm saying? Glutamine. This is like pharmaceutical grade type shit. Glutamine and BCAAs, man. So, that's why I came here to grab. So I'm gonna get my little stuff together. So I can hit this little whoop, man. Get my little amine out. And I'll be with y'all in a second. Alright? Peace. Yo, out here enjoying this very, very lovely day, eating me a fresh ass core orange. This is a real sweet orange right here, man. I'm telling you, this is no joke. It's like a pinkish color on the inside, but just raising them vibes up right now, in the natural elements as far as, the heat, light, and energy is concerned. So yeah, now that this time has come, we're building on just the naturalness of just getting out and actually just enjoying nature on your own, listening to the ionic sounds. Yeah, I'm in the city, but I ain't all the way out in no jungle or nothing, but it's where I come get my my reset. Love, peace, and gratitude. And allow me to connect, back to myself, my higher self. After being, under a winter spell for a moment, for over 7 months.